Scotty here, and thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe if you like the videos. Helpful comments are always welcome. The content herein is a collection of how-to, shop projects, repairs, electronics, automation, and other videos. Things I've done for myself and customers. YouTube has been an amazing educational resource. For example, I've bent sheet metal for years before stumbling onto a YouTube video explaining what a K-factor is. As for bending sheet metal, I've done a series of videos on theory, formulas, spreadsheets, drawings, making parts with my diacro press brake, setups, and 3D modeling. Can't hurt to share knowledge by putting something back into the system. Enjoy your projects and work safely.